Hindi man makapunta sa wake ni Haji Alejandro ang kanyang naging partner, for 27 years ni sa Alina Velasquez, marami siyang ginawa para mabigyan ng honor si Haji. Isa na dito ay pumunta siya sa Eastwood at doon ay nag-alay ng bulaklak para sa dating partner. Marami din ang lumabas na issue na baka daw involve ang mga anak ni Haji Alejandro kung bakit hindi makapunta sa nasabing wake si Alina. Pero ito ay nilinaw ni Alina at sinabing maayos ang relasyon niya, lalo na sa anak ni Haji na si Rachel Alejandro. Ayon kay Alina, I love you both. You are the best father and daughter team. The strength of your bond and mutual support, the strength of your bond and mutual support is immeasurable. The impact you have on your audience is so strong that every show is a lasting memory. I will miss you both being on the same stage singing and dancing together. Rachel, remember that your dad's mighty proud of you. Always. He will always be there in your heart singing with you, our Angelito. Sa isang post ay mababasa din ang mensahe ni Rachel para sa kanyang ama. My dad was a happy, optimistic man who valued having a good, comfortable life. Yes, but more importantly, he prioritized providing for his partner, mother, and children. And his way of doing that from the time he had me at the age of 19 was through his golden singing voice, which is why, regardless of how he was feeling, he never canceled shows. Sa post na ito ay nagpasalamat naman si Rachel Alejandro at sinabi niya ang ganito kay Alina. Thank you for loving him. Dagdag pa ni Alina, I am sorry I can't answer your questions right now. I want to respect the privacy of those who are not involved, but one day I will. Thank you for your messages. I read them from my archive. All the love and beautiful messages make me smile despite the sadness and longing for the man I love. Thank you for giving us time to grieve. God bless all with renewed strength. Sa puntong ito ay nagpasalamat naman ng mga netizen at nakitang napakabait talaga ni Rachel Alejandro.